Hey guys, wanna know how to view your achievements in Steampunk Frontier mode in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries, in this video I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first off, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application and head towards missions on the bottom right here, right beside inventory. So once clicking on missions, here you can see various achievements and tasks that you have. So if you have completed the missions, there should be something known as completed and you should see collect just like this right here. But this is the RP challenges and missions. So if you can find the steampunk missions, you can just simply complete it and earn coins and stuff. So I have this daily missions right here and you can see what achievements you have and what missions you have completed. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.